Hello, welcome back to CloudGeniusHub. I'm Amit Ghosh and today I'm going to show you how you can open your Google skill account to learn about Google Cloud. Right, so Google already provided these skills for everyone else. It is free for everyone, but one thing is there, you have to keep earning the credits to go forward. And how you can earn the credits? By learning the courses and also performing the labs and also perform the challenges. Okay, so let's create one Google skill account. So you have to type skills.google. Okay, so this is the site. So here you not only get to learn about cloud, here you will get to learn about AI and many things are there. So first of all, let's click on the join button and you have to create account with Google if you don't have any Google account, or if you have Google account then just click on sign in. Okay, then sign in with Google. And here I have many accounts, that's why it's showing the list of Google account, but I have chosen one account. You just have to choose one account, then write some your date of birth. I am putting random date of birth just to show you. So this is your account that is just created. Start learning for free with our innovator program. Expand your knowledge of Google Cloud with 35 free credits to skill boost every month and be on your way to earn badges and advance your career. Okay, so every month you will get around 35 free credits, and with this credit you can use labs to showcase your skills and you will earn various badges on top of your developer profile. So you have to click on join. Continue. Then here you have to fill up the things. Google Cloud Innovators, how much experience you have, from which location you are. Delhi. Who are you? Okay, what you are doing actually, that is you have to mention here. Okay, and name of your community, news and program, and join. Click on join. Okay, so after completing that form you will get, as you got 35 free credits for being an innovator. Use your free credits to earn badges, gain new skills and show off your expertise, and upgrade to Google Developer Program Premium for unlimited access. Okay, so you don't need to upgrade it. You just have to keep using and showcase your and practice on the lab, and you will get this credit every month so that you can uh, complete your certification programs or any exam you want to give. Okay, so here you can, how you can plan your learning journey. You have to explore the catalog. In the catalog you will find many courses are there. Also which courses will give you skill badge, that is also mentioned here as skill badge. Okay, these courses like manage Kubernetes in Google Cloud, how you can do that. Okay, these courses are there, and labs that are also with the lab tag. Okay, so if you want to start with a learning path, start with the cloud basics and all, and whatever position you are in currently, uh, whatever course you want to learn, you just have to search here. You can search as cloud. Okay, so all the cloud courses will be here. Okay, you can write as cloud engineer, those who are uh, who just want to start cloud, they can search is like associate cloud engineer. Okay, so these are the courses and paths that is came here. You can click on the path, cloud engineer path. When you will start with the path, you will get to know about all things. You just have to start the path, and there you can see only 14 activities are there. You can learn, and all the course materials will be there inside it. First of all, a tour of Google Cloud hands-on labs will be there. After completing this lab, there will be a course, essential Google Cloud infrastructure, that is foundation, and then core services, and this everything is, you can find these courses inside cloud engineer path. Okay, by this you can create your um, skill skill account with your developer profile, and you will get all the credits here, and the streaks you will get here, and also the batches you will earn, you can get here as in achievement section. Okay, by this I think it is clear how you can create your skill, and I hope you will start learning today. Thank you for watching this video, and happy learning. See you in my next video of Google Cloud. Thank you.